All right, my beautiful friends, it is Monday, July 15, 2019. And how many of you would be even slightly surprised to find out that stocks this morning opened up higher across the board at new record highs, as a matter of fact? No, you are not surprised because I've been explaining this to you. However, as I am doing this video blog, stocks have come down a shade from this morning, and they are slightly negative. To me, in this environment, well, it should be self-explanatory. It's fake, so this is very bullish here. We got crude firmly above $60 a barrel. We got the bond market normalizing to a certain degree on the promise of what the Fed is about to do, and they are going to. If the Fed does not, oh wow, look out below in the biggest way you can possibly imagine. The dollar isn't doing too much, more or less flat. Precious metals are up a little bit. Now, cryptocurrencies are getting hammered. They've been getting hammered. And a lot of this is sentiment. I mean, you turn on the mainstream financial channels and you got the creature feature. You got this creature and this creature, bashing cryptocurrencies like you can't possibly believe. There is an attack. There's no doubt about it. So whatever. In my view, look, you can say, oh, these things aren't worth anything, but what is the dollar worth? You do realize there is only $1.7 trillion. That's it, of cash on this earth. The rest of it is digital. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not real. So if you're going to badmouth cryptocurrencies, you got to be badmouthing the dollar as well. And I'm sure most of you are. I mean, I am a major dollar bear in this environment. I mean, look, I can't imagine. I know there are some dollar bulls here, but how could you be dollar bullish when you got a Federal Reserve, other world central banks that are about to go nuclear? They're going to buy everything in sight. And how do they do that? By printing cash out of thin air, adding it to a digital screen. And every single dollar that is magically created out of thin air, how does that dollar have any purchasing power at all? Let me explain this to you in case you don't know. Every created dollar out of thin air has to steal a fraction of value from every other existing bill. So what does that do? It weakens the dollars that are in existence, including itself. It's a very simple concept to understand. So that's really where we are at right now. It's the promise of easy money from world central banks. They're going to keep all of this alive. Look, it's a zombie market. It's a zombie economy. It wouldn't be the economy is in free fall. I mean, they can cover it up, and the president can scream from rooftops that this is the best it's ever been. He's lying to you, and he knows he's lying to you. But he also knows that a lot of people are going to believe it, because he's going to throw that fake U3 number out. He touts it all the time. U3, duh! But, he can't tell you what the U6 is. I'm referring to the unemployment numbers. The U3 is the fake number. The U6 is the kind of real one. But if you want to look at the U6 number in reality, and don't just take my word for this, just look it up for yourself. The actual U6 is twice what they're telling us. It's all fake. Totally unfreaking real. It literally is unfreaking real. So that's where we are at right now. We got stocks that are down slightly after opening at new record highs. New records are coming, whether we're going to get it at the end of the day, but this is not the end. This is not the top. Stocks are going up again. Earnings don't matter. PE ratios don't matter. Forward guidance doesn't matter. Nothing. It's all about the new hits of drugs that the market is going to be getting, not just from the Federal Reserve, but other world central banks. Period. It's so simple to profit here. If you can't make money in this market, in this environment, stop trading. Period. Just don't do it, because you will never find. This is a dream come true. A dream on either side. Let me explain this to you. This morning, when the stocks opened up higher, I looked at it and I said, it looks kind of weak to me. So I took a short position against the S&P 500 this morning. I held that position for about 10 minutes. I made money there. Now I'm not in anything. I'm going to wait to see what this market does. And again, what I've been doing for the most part, I'm working on a new system. I'm still working on it. But check out my Renko system. It's 100% free. I don't ask for a damn thing. I just want you to have it. Go to my website, traderschoice.net. There is a link in the description of this video. Right side upper corner. The Renko system, it really works. So I'm actually debating whether my new system I'm working on is even better. I don't know if it is or not. That Renko system is pretty damn powerful. So take advantage of that, and it's free. I don't want anything for it. I don't ask for anything for it. I just want you to have it. So anyway, what does this all boil down to? People, we know what they're going to do. So we need to become our own central banks, bet against the debt, and I sincerely believe you need to be. Look, beat me up all you want, and I know there are some people that are going to do it, but I'm bullish here on dollar alternatives, which include cryptocurrencies here. They're going to kill the dollar. They are determined to kill it. So you don't want to be in the dollar. It's that simple. But you do want to be in this stock market one way or the other. I'm an equity derivatives trader. You all know that. I think that's the way to go, at least for me. And we will sum this all up at the end of the day. It's going to be just lovely and fun and just beautiful. I'll see you later.